Why does the state of Louisiana have the right to stop me for doing what I love to do?
Ursula Newell-Davis has worked with special needs kids for 20 years.
Take some breaths and think about, how can I really say how I'm feeling?
She helped kids like Kamal, who never made friends because he couldn't communicate.
She'll help teach me how to talk to people.
Before Ursula started working with Kamal and his siblings, his mother says,
I thought it was the end of the world.
But with Ursula,
She explained to me things that I didn't understand about my kids, and it allowed me to go back into the community and work.
Ursula helped many families like hers. Now she wants to help more kids by doing short-term respite work.
Giving a parent a backup. Someone that can go in and teach their child a different skill.
Ursula has college and master's degrees, plus a social work license. But Louisiana still won't let her do respite work. You have these skills. You could help people. What do you think's going on with these regulators that they won't let you?
Louisiana want to limit how many agencies they have to regulate.
Why?
That makes it easy for the state.
Easy for the state? What is this law? Lawyer Anastasia Bowden of the Pacific Legal Foundation explains, in Louisiana,
entrepreneurs in the healthcare space have to prove that they're needed before starting up.
she says that's unconstitutional, and she's helping Ursula sue the state.
Louisiana gives you no clue about how to prove you're needed. Of course, that would be difficult for even the best entrepreneurs. Nobody can prove with any certainty that they're
Yeah, I
needed.
couldn't prove I'm needed.
Yeah, the only way to find out is to open up your doors and try.
But Ursula wasn't allowed to try. She gave the regulators what they demanded. She rented office space, paid fees, wrote 7 pages about why her work is needed.
But Louisiana decided that wasn't good enough.
I mean, this is crazy. Special needs kids need lots of help. And every year, Louisiana turns down most of the applicants.
Yeah, 75% of their applicants, because they say those people are unneeded.
The health department says there's good reason for that. Licensing and regulating is a resource-intensive process. This law helps limit the burden on regulators.
Imagine if the government argued that it didn't have enough money to administer driver's license exams. That's just not a legitimate excuse that the government doesn't have enough money to administer people's constitutional rights.
Officials wouldn't answer our emails or calls, so my producer went to their quite elegant offices to try to speak with someone who'd explain their decisions. The security guard tried to find one of the regulators,
Para esse service. Nossa, here got saw today.
but they weren't answering.
Got our esse service well.
Later, we got an email saying we'd be happy to work on providing information. But weeks later, they still haven't.
I shouldn't be turned down because the state of Louisiana do not want to do their job.
39 states have laws that say to open certain businesses, you must prove you're needed first. Because Kentucky says that to ambulance services, it's extra dangerous to get sick or hurt in Kentucky.
People waiting hours for medical transportation.
Other places apply the restriction to movers and hospitals. But Louisiana is the only state that applies it to respite care. Sure enough,
Consumers in Louisiana are less satisfied with their care. It might be easier for the government, but that's not benefiting consumers.
but if the laws don't benefit consumers, why do they stay on the books?
We have hospital associations, medical associations that are giving money.
They don't want the competition.
Well, of course not. But the result is to deprive people of economic opportunity and to make care worse for the people who are consuming it.
That's their job. Like, it's your job to regulate these services. So you're going to stop me from making money?
Louisiana has denied Ursula her dream because it contends that it knows what people in Louisiana want and need. It can't possibly know what every Louisianan wants and needs.
Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell to make sure you get the next ones.